Today I share with you how to make perfect orange and apple juice for refreshment. Hello sweetie, welcome back. To start, I will be needing this apple. I have 3 apple. After that, add in vinegar and water and get that to rest. After resting the apple, I'm going to get rid of the skin with my scraper. Then I have to cut that in a little bearable size so that it will allow me to get blend with my blender. I just finished that, then add that inside the blender, then add in a little bit of water and cover to blend. Blend that until it's nice and smooth for you to get your juice out. So now that it has blended, all I do now is to turn that inside a streamer. I'm going to stream out the fiber. After streaming out the fiber, here I have the juice, and this is how the juice look. So guys, look at the juice. At this point, I'm done filtering the juice and now it's ready to enjoy. So filtering it, I still make use of net filter so that everything can clear and nice like this. So all I do now is to transfer that inside a jar. The reason why I get rid of the skin of this apple is because of the color that this apple brings. If I did not get rid of the skin, it's going to be more darker than this. So for you to get that smooth and lovely apple juice, just get rid of the skin. You are going to love it and it's going to be amazing. Now that I'm done with the apple juice, it's ready to enjoy. I will keep that aside. So let's see how to get your orange juice done. To begin, you are going to be needing orange. The same time, add in water and vinegar, get that raised. This process is very important. Then after that, just take one of it, divide it into 2, and then center of it, divide it again. All you gotta do is to just get rid of this skin. Just so simple and easy to peel your orange like this. You don't need to stress yourself. So after doing that, I just add that inside a blender. So this particular orange I'm using, it doesn't come with any seed, so there is no seed inside the orange. After blending that, all I do now is to turn that inside the streamer and then get at the fiber, and the juice is ready like this. So simple. This juice is going to make your day. Even the kids can take it. This is just natural and healthy juice everyone can take. After streaming it, then I turn that inside this jar. So this is the jar I'm going to use to save it in the fridge. So guys, every minute you can easily go and take your glass of juice and enjoy every bit of it. It was so cool, so delicious, and so natural. This is just the best way to get your juice done. If you are not getting this before now, you have to try this process because there is nothing to compare natural juice for your life. So guys, this is just the 2 juice. After I must have done with the 2 juice, it was so amazing. Over here we have orange juice. The same time we have apple juice. Which one are you going to go for? You have to get this stuff for yourself. It was so simple, so delicious, and so much watery. All you got to do guys is to share and others to see in my next one. Oh yeah, bye.